Today we are unboxing the iQOO 9 SE, and as I always say that I'm a big fan of iQOO's packaging because they're very stylish and innovative at the same time. So let's unbox it. So at the top of the box, as you can see, 9 is written here in a holographic pattern. So let's just dig into the box. As soon as you unbox it, the first thing you get is some paperwork. So here are the paperwork given with the guiding manual, and the SIM ejector pin is also given here. Let's keep it aside. Here is our handset wrapped in plastic. So it comes in two color variants, Space Fusion and Sunset Sierra. We have the Space Fusion color variant with us. As you can clearly see, here is the phone. Oh, it's very stylish and looks premium at the same time. I'll just switch it on and keep it aside. Apart from that, here is the silicone mobile case. It's transparent, soft, nice one. And moving ahead, here is the charging cable packed nicely, and 65-watt flash charge support. Quite a big brick. So we'll keep it aside and talk about the smartphone solely. So coming back to the iQOO 9 SE, here is the smartphone with me, and look at the back panel. It has got a matte finish and looks premium, but it gets fingerprint smudges. Talking about the weight, it is 196 grams, and talking about the display, it has got a 6.62-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, supports 120 Hz of refresh rate, and packs Snapdragon 888 SoC as a processor. You get two variants, 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Talking about the camera module, you get a triple camera setup where you get a 48 megapixel main sensor, you get 13 megapixel wide angle sensor and a 2 megapixel mono sensor. On the front, you get this hole punch selfie cutout, which is a 16 megapixel camera. It runs on FunTouch OS based on Android 12, which is good, and also packs 4500 mAh battery with a 65-watt flash charging support. So that's all about the phone. Below, as you can see, you have the speaker grill, SIM ejecting tray, and also the charging port.